In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Retool. If you're looking to create a dynamic and fully customizable data dashboard, Retool is a fantastic choice. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, let's get started by logging in to your Retool account. You can do this by heading over to the Retool website at retool.com. Once you're logged in, go ahead and kick off your process by creating a new app. To do this, click on the Create New option and select App. This initial step is important as it sets the foundation for your dashboard. Giving your app a meaningful name is crucial, so think about how you'll use it. For example, you might call it Sales Dashboard if you're planning to track sales metrics. A good name helps keep your projects organized and easy to find later. Now let's move on to connecting your data source, which is integral to any useful dashboard. One of the great things about Retool is its flexibility with different data sources. Whether you're using SQL databases, REST APIs, or another type of data source, Retool has you covered. To begin this process, navigate to the Resources section and click on Create New. Here, you'll choose the type of resource that best fits your needs. Whether it's PostgreSQL, a REST API, or something else, select the appropriate option and then enter all the necessary credentials and connection details. It might seem like a chore, but don't rush this part. Accuracy is key. After entering the required information, make sure to test your connection. This ensures everything is set up correctly before you proceed to the next steps. A successful connection means your data source is ready to work with your dashboard. Once your data source is connected, the real fun begins, adding components to your dashboard. Retool offers a rich variety of components that you can use to bring your data to life. You'll find a component panel with elements like tables, charts, and text blocks, and you can simply drag and drop these components onto your canvas. For each component, you need to bind it to a query that fetches data from your pre-connected resource. This is where your dashboard starts to become a reflection of your data. Once you have your components in place, don't forget to customize their appearance. Adjust labels, colors, and sizes to ensure that your dashboard is both aesthetically pleasing and easy to interpret. A well-designed layout can greatly enhance user experience and data comprehension. By following these steps, you'll build a powerful dashboard that provides clear insights and makes data exploration straightforward. Thanks to Retool's intuitive interface and robust features, the dashboard creation process is both efficient and flexible. Whether you're new to dashboard creation or a seasoned pro, these tools allow you to craft a dashboard that meets all your needs. Enjoy creating.